Hello, today guys we are unboxing all my opening blind box years, and this is look, you can see all and question marks. So there's no PP, there's no you gonna choose, there's no choose. Oh my god, I'm bad at it. Sorry guys, that's because my phone is different in here. So today we're opening all, but my hands hurt too much. Oh my god. I am bad speaking at English, guys. Because I am from Philippines. Sorry, I cannot speak Tagalog. Because I cannot speak Tagalog because you all know English. If you're watching this. Okay, let's open it. Let's open. Never don't know what is. This is never my first ever giant mystery box. So we all know I got this in my episode. This is never so not squishy. You can never see. So if we hit 1K subscriber, I will face the bird. If you want me to face the bird, comment below. If subscribe now. If you not subscribe, subscribe. So this is very good. Go, and the next thing is pop. This is the gummy, and this is pop. So let's go the next. Oh, look, it's Nezuko, my favorite anime in Demon Slayer. This is Nezuko. It's the very best squishy, I know. They're very not very squishy, but it's okay. And the next is gummy bear. This is definitely in my video. If you not this is if you not watch my unboxing food, watch it now. Watch it. I'm never bad at English. There. The next. Okay, this is Dorito. That's my favorite food. And that's Bascon plus Dorito has that. And this very cusito because I never don't know what to do. And the next thing is Cookie God. This Cookie God, you can see a cookie and hair. Look, you cannot never see his face. Let's pick that up. And 3, 2, 1. Bam! This is Cookie God. The Bruce Casey, my favorite YouTuber in Minecraft. You can see his face, his underwear. So this is my favorite YouTuber in the universe. And it's very helpful. And guys, I think that's all. So this is what we got. This is definitely all of it. So this is all we got. Gummy bear. This is gummy one, gummy bear. It's cheap. I definitely love this so much. Oh my god, I love this. I will never forget this in my entire life, guys. This is definitely my favorite thing. This is definitely my food episode too. And this is my favorite box, so we can have a squishy egg. It's definitely more squishy than the other. There. It's definitely squishy. This is definitely all. This is Nezuko. Let's put all this, and the last one this. This is all we got. So guys, this is Nagab and this. This is what we got. Okay guys. Bye bye. See you to my next video. I hope you enjoy.